Welcome to our detailed review of the Thermalright TL-M12Q X3 120mm PC case cooling fans. In today's video, we'll explore how this 3-pack of fans can transform your gaming build, not only by boosting your system's cooling performance, but also by adding an extra layer of aesthetic appeal with its unique ARGB mirror lighting effects. The Thermalright TL-M12Q X3 boasts an impressive 2000 RPM speed, ensuring high airflow to keep your system cool under intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. One of the best features is its simplified cable management system. With only one cable required per fan cluster, the design drastically reduces cable clutter and makes custom fan installation a breeze, saving both time and effort during setup. A standout aspect of these fans is the quality S-FDB bearings. These are meticulously engineered to solve common issues like fan blade shaking during lift mode. The result is not only better cooling performance, but also minimal noise. This means you can enjoy a quieter gaming experience while your components run efficiently, ultimately extending the life of your PC's PWM fan. Additionally, the unique ARGB mirror lighting effect adds an eye-catching element to your build. The infinite frame ARGB aperture, coupled with distributed ARGB lines, creates multiple phantom color effects under the influence of airflow, making for an impressive visual spectacle that can be tailored to your style. When it comes to performance in real-life scenarios, users have found that the automatic speed control via the 4-pin PWM interface is extremely effective. The fan adjusts its speed according to the motherboard's temperature, ensuring optimal cooling whether you're tackling resource-heavy games or editing videos. The versatility of the TL-M12Q X3 is also noteworthy. Not only can these fans be used as case fans, they are also compatible with CPU coolers. This dual functionality helps take away both the case's dry heat and the CPU's high operational temperatures, optimizing your entire system's cooling performance. Compared to similar products in the market, the Thermalright TL-M12Q X3 offers impressive features at a competitive price. While some competitors might offer similar specifications, the simplified cable management and distinctive ARGB lighting set these fans apart. However, one possible drawback is that the package only includes one connecting cable. If additional cables are needed, users must purchase them separately, which might be a slight inconvenience for those looking for an all-in-one package. To get the most out of these fans, ensure your motherboard's firmware is updated to support the PIC-C PWM speed and ARGB lighting features. Also, consider experimenting with different ARGB configurations to achieve the perfect visual effect for your setup. Overall, if you're a gamer or a PC enthusiast looking for high-performance cooling combined with a visually appealing design, the Thermalright TL-M12Q X3 is a fantastic choice. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you found this review helpful. Have a great day.